Chmelaeon.com here, doing a review for the Tumble Buggy flashing light tumbling action toy. We're going to have the Amazon link below to buy this thing. Also, Chmelaeon.com has tens of thousands of toys. Be sure to check out our toys and games section. But we're going to get right into this review. These are orders, so we're not going to unbox them, but we are going to show you what it does. It tumbles around, it has huge flashing lights, it makes all sorts of fun sounds, and it's got this springy little antenna deal going on, so that's kind of cool. Comes in red and blue. They might even have more colors nowadays. Check out the back. Battery operated, uses 2 C-size batteries. Not included. It's also got some LGBT logos on there. And some peace signs, very 60s. It looks like a VW Bug or something like that. Made by Westminster Toys. Here's the blue model. Very cool. And apparently this is the original Tumble Buggy. I'm not sure if there's an unoriginal, but pretty neat stuff. But that's just a general overview of the product. It flips around, makes flashing lights, and they're really cool. We're about to ship these out today. Chmelaeon.com is out on that note. Get your flipping, flashing Tumble Buggy today at the Amazon link below. And also be sure to check out Chmelaeon.com. Peace.